Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's find the sound and vibration. And as you can see here we've got actually the whole ringtone section. Here we can change the ringtone for calls and this is the very first option, but also for the alarms, events or notifications. I will show you how to do it using the ringtone, so let me tap on it. And again here we've got actually 4 different options to choose from. So here we've got 3 ringtones highlighted, so you can tap on it and listen. You can check it, but if you do not like, let me volume it down a little bit. If you do not like them, no worries, just tap on all ringtones. And as you can see, we've just been transferred to the full list of all available ringtones applied on this device. What's more, at the very top we've got the option to choose local ringtone, so after tapping on it, if you will have any compatible files, for example downloaded or recorded, then you will be able to pick them. For example, after entering the file manager, I've got, let's say, a song, and we can just mark it and then we will be able to set them as a ringtone. What's more, you've got don't set ringtone option, so obviously your device won't notify you about any incoming calls after choosing this option. So let me pick something from the system ringtones, and all you have to do in order to listen how the particular one sounds is to just tap on it, and right now you will be able to listen it. So if you would like to set particular app as your own, just tap on it, make sure that it is highlighted and simply get back. As you can see, it is notified right here and after getting back also here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. It will work the same with the alarm, events or notifications. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.